สบายดีทุกคนWelcome to Learn Lao. Last week I made a lot of lesson about how to spell in Lao. I think that those lessons can help you a lot how to pronounce. Right now we come to the last lesson of spelling. Okay, let's go all together. Sla cho chữ Sla cho chữ Sla cho chú Sla cho chú Sla cho chế Sla cho chê Sla cho chế Sla cho chê Sla cho chú Sla cho chú Sla cho chữ Sla cho chữ Sla cho chia Sla cho chia Sla cho chúa Sla cho chùa Sla cho chia Sla cho chưa Sla cho chay Sla cho chay Sla cho chào Sla cho chăm Sla xỏ xứ Sla xỏ xứ Sla xỏ xú Sla xỏ xú Sla xỏ xế Sla xỏ xế Sla xỏ xé Sla xỏ xé Sla xỏ số Sla xỏ số Sla xỏ sớ Sla xỏ sớ Sla xỏ xía Sla xỏ xía Sla xỏ xúa Sla xỏ xúa Sla xỏ xứa Sla xỏ xứa Sla xỏ sấy Sla xỏ sấy Sla xỏ sáo Sla xỏ sám Sla xỏ sư Sla xỏ sư Sla xỏ su Sla xỏ su Sla xỏ xế สระเอซอเซสระแอะซอแซะสระแอซอแซสระโอซอโซสระโอซอโซสระเอซอเซสระเอซอเซสระเอียซอเสียสระเอียซอเสียสระอัวซอซัวสระอัวซอซัวสระเอือซอเสือสระเอือซอเสือสระไอซอไซสระไอซอไซสระเอาซอเซาสระอำซอซัม That's all our lesson today. If you think that my lesson is very useful, please like, comment, and share my video. And one more thing, I would like to tell you that the next lesson will focus on phrases or conversation in Lao language rather than spelling. Okay, don't forget to click subscribe my channel and you can learn more and more. Thank you very much. See you later. ลาก่อน บ๊ายบาย